Now, for our we'll be looking at our forex market analysis. We'll be looking at our silver analysis, our gold analysis, our crude analysis, and our natural gas analysis. So on this channel, we analyze our forex market, our stock market, and our crypto market. So if you are interested in any of our analysis, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Please also comment, by the way. So now let's see our analysis. We will be looking at for this our week is that we will be looking at our silver, by the way. So I've highlighted some of our key level where our price has rejected multiple times, has given us a support here. It has also given us a resistance here, and on our time frame is that we are on our weekly time frame now. Now that our price has given us a false breakout, our price has failed to push up, which means our price is actually pushing down. So where do you think our price will be moving this week? Now I'll tell you that is that our price should actually be falling. We should be looking for sell position on our silver USD. Now that is exactly what I'll be looking for. By the way, we can actually see that bullish move, whereby we can see that bullish move whereby our price pushes up, come here to retest this our area. Then we now continue looking for that bullish move to this our area here. So that is exactly what our price can also move this week. So that's why I said I want to be very careful. I want you to be very careful before you actually take your buy or sell position. So when should you take your buy position, and when do you know to take our buy position or sell position? Now is that we should wait. If our price breaks above this our candlestick here, this our green candlestick here on our weekly time frame, and on now, if our price actually breaks below this our green, breaks above our green candlestick above this area, then we actually can take our buy position. That should be giving us how many points? That should be giving us about 257 points. You can call it maybe 252 pips or whatever you want. So which actually is actually a good move. So let's see how our price will be moving. So if our price breaks above this our candle here on our weekly time frame, then we should be actually taking our buy position. And if not, then we should be looking for continuous fall and to this our to this our support area before we actually now take our buy position. So if you want to take your sell position on our silver, when do you take it? I will say that you should wait for our price to break below this our what do you call it, our bearish candlestick. If our price can break below it, then we can actually now take our sell position down to this our support level. That should be giving us about 154 pips plus 154 pips. That is actually a good trade or points or pips to actually achieve on this. So that is why I said you should be very, very careful. Let's see what our price will be showing us this week. Then we will know how to place our trade and how we should aim for it on our silver. Let's see our 4-hour time frame, what it's going to be giving us. As you can see is okay. Now you can see that our price is actually ranging around this our area here. So basically our price can actually go breaks above, thereby coming to touch this our area here, and possibly our price can actually break below, then come down to touch this our our support level. That is why I said wait. If our price breaks above this our candlestick, then take your buy position upward. And if our price breaks below this our candlestick here, then you can actually take your sell position. That is exactly for our silver USD. On our gold USD, same thing we should be looking for. I think personally think that our gold will be going up, will continue to push up, because I possibly am seeing it as a retracement where our price has pushed up. We've seen something like a retracement, then our price should continue pushing up. But I want you to also know that our price can actually still fall down. It can actually fall down, thereby coming to touch this hours support level here, whereby our price can actually fall down. It can also, this place can be seen as a false breakout, but I don't believe this is a false breakout. I believe that this is a retracement, whereby our price will come retrace and push up. But let's see how our price will be reacting this week, by the way. So when should we take our buy or sell position? I would say that I'll give an advice that when our price breaks below this our candlestick, our red candlestick here, which is on our weekly time frame, then we actually can take our sell position. That alone should be giving us about 100, is it not about 1000 plus points, 1000 plus points. That is actually a very, very good point to actually grab this week. We might not even be able to grab it all this week. So let's see what our price will be showing us. By the way, we can see as this place is, our price is actually failing to break below here. So we should be very, very careful. Thereby, we should be seeing if maybe we should go bullish, come back to retest this our area here before our price can actually fall down, and there's possibility that our price can actually now break below and come back to touch our sell support. So that's why I said be very careful and watch what our price will show us before we actually take our buy or sell position. On our crude oil, we will be looking for continuing a 4 year. Let's see our price will touch this our area, then we can actually say, okay, we should continue be going bearish or not. So I believe that when our price comes down a little bit, then we should see a push up a little bit, then we actually now see that push down. So let's see on our daily time frame. You can see our price has actually pushed down. I'm seeing here as a little bit of retracement. Our price has actually pushed here. Then I'm seeing it as a retracement to this we will consider this place as an invalid retracement. So that's as an invalid retracement. You can see that our price has now retraced to this our area here. Then we should actually see this continuous fall. Let's see if our price will touch this our area here before we can actually now see that move up on our crude oil, thereby retesting this our resistance level. And if it does not, then we should continue to see that sell movements here before we actually see that push up on our crude oil, our WTI crude oil. So basically we should be watching as our price will be reacting. So first of all, our aim is that we should grab our sell position down to this our area here. We should grab this our area here. Then if our price breaks below, then we should be seeing that our price will come here, touch this our area, then we will see that push up. And if our price fails to break below, then we should actually be taking that our buy position here, whereby it will retest our resistance for our crude oil. Now on our natural gas, it is actually going bullish. So I'm still going bullish on our natural gas. By the way, we are still going bullish on our day time frame. We would want to be going bullish to this our area here, see about 5.959. so let's continue going bullish, then we can continue going bullish again, see our 6.137. So that's our analysis for today. Thank you very much.